Hey, this is Yogeshkumar.Rathod. Very few amongst the highest degrees achievers in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on Bill Gates. Bill Gates is born on October 28, 1955 in Seattle, Washington, United States of America. At the age of 13, he did programming of his school. He graduated from Lakeside. Bill Gates is the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation and he is third richest person after Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. He is owner of many companies. Name a few: Terra Power, etc. The great Gates Foundation is known to be worldwide venture with his wife Melinda. It is 100% true which I am delivering. So please like and share my video. My YouTube channel is Tech Yogesh Kumar and Education Yogesh Kumar. Presently he is into technology and interdisciplinary fields. He doesn't want to retire. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.